Hi, I'm Sheila with Floor Coverings International. Today we're going to talk about how to fix a burn on your vinyl flooring. Hopefully your burn's pretty light, maybe you dropped your curling iron. It's a really simple solution, you just need a couple of things. First of all, you want to make sure your vinyl flooring is clean. Get a small piece of sandpaper, ideally something with a really fine grit. Using very small circular motions, you simply sand the piece that's been burned. When you're done sanding, it may look a little flat, maybe a little bit duller than the rest of your floor. You simply get, you get these at the car wash. They're just waxing kits that you use for your car. Just take that, maybe a microfiber cloth, just rub it on, and you shouldn't be able to tell that there ever was a burn. Sheila O'Donoghue, Floor Coverings International. Today we talked about how to remove a burn from a vinyl floor.